Ever feel like your car just isn't shifting the way it used to? Maybe it's slipping, shaking, or making strange noises. You could be dealing with a failing torque converter. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we make car problems simple, fixes easy, and maintenance stress-free. In this video, we'll break down the most common warning signs, so make sure you stick around till the end. What is a torque converter? Before we jump into the symptoms, let's quickly understand what a torque converter actually does. A torque converter is a fluid coupling that transfers power from your engine to your transmission. It's bolted to the flex plate, which spins with the engine's crankshaft, and sits between the engine and transmission inside the bell housing. Instead of using direct mechanical contact, it uses fluid pressure to transfer rotational force, allowing your car to move smoothly without a manual clutch. Symptom 1. Overheating. Let's start with overheating. If your temperature gauge is running higher than normal, your torque converter could be the reason. When it fails, it can't transfer power efficiently, which creates excess heat. This can lead to poor throttle response and increased wear on your transmission. Low fluid levels or a faulty solenoid can make things even worse. Symptom 2. Slipping gears. Next up, slipping. If your car feels like it's struggling to stay in gear, or there's a delay when shifting, that's a major red flag. A failing torque converter can't build proper hydraulic pressure, which causes gear slipping. You might also notice weaker acceleration and worse fuel economy. Before heading to a shop, always check your transmission fluid level first. Symptom 3. Dirty transmission fluid. Your transmission fluid plays a huge role in keeping everything running smoothly. If you check it and see dark, dirty fluid, or even metal debris, that's a serious warning sign. Contaminated fluid can damage internal parts like turbine fins and bearings. If you notice this, change the fluid and monitor it. If the problem continues, get your transmission inspected right away. Symptom 4. Shuddering. Does your car feel like it's driving over a rough road, even when it's not? That shuddering or vibration, especially around 30 to 45 miles per hour, could be a worn torque converter clutch. Here's a simple test. While the shudder is happening, lightly tap the brake pedal. If the vibration stops, there's a good chance your torque converter is the problem. Symptom 5. Strange noises. Hearing whining, clicking, or clunking noises. Don't ignore them. These sounds often come from worn bearings or damaged internal components inside the torque converter. In some cases, metal shavings can contaminate the transmission, leading to even bigger problems. If you spot metal debris, act fast. Flush the system, replace the fluid, and change the filter. Symptom 6. High stall speed/delayed engagement. Finally, let's talk about stall speed. This is the RPM level where the torque converter transfers power to the transmission, usually around 2,000 revolutions per minute. If your car takes longer to engage or revs higher than normal before moving, your torque converter may be failing. This happens when it can't properly convert engine power into hydraulic pressure. So, how much will it cost? If you're doing it yourself, expect to spend around $150 to $500. At a repair shop, it usually ranges from $600 to $1,000. The part itself isn't too expensive, but the labor is, since the transmission has to be removed. And that's it. Your problem should now be completely fixed. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Care Fix for more simple car repair tips and secret maintenance tricks. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.